Ever wondered what fuels your body and keeps you going? What's behind your ability to think, move, and grow? Well, it all comes down to three key components: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates, often known as carbs, are your body's main source of energy. They're like the fuel in your car's engine, powering you through every move you make, every breath you take. Carbs are found in foods such as bread, pasta, and fruits. But not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, vegetables, and fruits are examples of healthy carbs that provide you with sustained energy throughout the day. Next up, we have proteins. These are the building blocks of your body, essential for growth and repair. Picture proteins as the construction workers of your body, building and repairing your tissues. They're found in foods like meat, fish, and dairy. Just like with carbs, quality matters. Opt for lean meats, fish, and plant-based proteins for a balanced diet. Last but not least, we have fats. Now, fats often get a bad rap, but they're crucial for brain health and energy storage. Think of fats as your body's backup generator, stepping in to provide energy when carbs aren't available. They're also key in protecting your vital organs. You can find healthy fats in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. In summary, carbs fuel our bodies with energy, proteins build and repair our tissues, and fats provide backup energy and protect our organs. It's essential to include all three in our diet, but remember, quality matters. Choose whole grains over refined carbs, lean proteins over processed meats, and unsaturated fats over saturated ones. And there you have it, the fascinating world of macronutrients, the powerhouses that fuel our bodies, helping us think, move, and grow. So the next time you sit down for a meal, spare a thought for these mighty macros. They're not just food, they're fuel for life.